If you love tech, you're in for a treat today. We have some exciting news from Samsung regarding their upcoming foldable device that's been making waves in the tech community, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Thanks to the reliable leaker at Leaks, we've got some juicy details to share. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you might remember the speculations around Samsung's new foldable. For a while, it was rumored to be called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim or the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, according to Avon Blast, we can officially scratch those names. This new model will be called the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Sounds fancy, right? This name change suggests that Samsung is really pushing the boundaries with this device. Now let's talk about what many of you are eager to hear, the dimensions. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is expected to come with a 6.5-inch cover screen and an impressive 8-inch foldable display. The measurements reveal that it will be 10.6 millimeters thick when folded and just 4.9 millimeters when unfolded at its thinnest point. For context, the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6, which you can buy right now, measures 13.4 millimeters when folded and 6.1 millimeters when unfolded. These new specs could potentially make the special edition the thinnest Samsung foldable ever. But hold that thought. While this might be a significant achievement for Samsung, it's essential to note that it won't hold a world record for thinness. Several Chinese manufacturers have already launched thinner foldable phones. Despite this, Samsung places a high emphasis on durability, which is likely why we're not seeing an ultra-thin design that sacrifices sturdiness. This focus on quality might set the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition apart in an industry that often prioritizes sheer dimensions over user experience. So, who knows? This device might still exceed our wildest expectations. Now, what are some of the features? Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition may utilize a titanium backplate, which adds not only an elegant look but also sturdiness. As for the camera, it's rumored to have a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera on the back, a 10 megapixels selfie camera on the cover, and an upgraded 5 megapixels under-display camera beneath the foldable screen. There's even speculation that Samsung might tweak the aspect ratio of the screens or incorporate a higher-end primary camera, but nothing is confirmed just yet. This could really elevate the photography potential of this device. Stay tuned. So, when can we expect to see this innovative device? While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed a launch date, we're hearing whispers of an announcement possibly coming between October and December. That said, signs indicate this model may have a limited release, focusing solely on countries like China and South Korea, which is definitely disappointing for many fans elsewhere, particularly in the US and Europe. We'll keep our fingers crossed for a wider availability because this is the device that deserves to be in the hands of enthusiasts around the globe. As for pricing, most analysts believe that the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition will likely come with a higher price tag than the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. Given its upgraded features, materials, and sleek design, many of you might need to save up a bit before making a purchase. There you have it, folks. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is shaping up to be a must-watch device in the foldable market, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. If you're as excited as we are or have any thoughts on these new leaks, don't forget to leave your comments down below. And if you want to stay updated on all things tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious. Until next time, take care.